license, registration, and insurance, please? The reason for the stop is roadway's lane for traffic. We got multiple lanes there. You're partially blocking the lane. With a lot of truck traffic here, that causes traffic problems and possible accidents, especially with backlogs on exits. You have your driver's license.
Yeah, did you see the lunatics driving there doing those swerving and all that crap?
You blocking the lane, so I stopped you. License, registration, insurance. There's violations that happen all day long, all over the place. Unfortunately, today I found you. Just the way things happen.
There's no violation. You aggressively approached me and swerved in front of me.
Lane of traffic that is designed for left turns. You were not in. You were in that lane going out.
It's hardly. Show me.
Is this address in Harrisburg current address, sir? I need your registration and insurance also. Those are required documents. Registration card as well.
And so what's your name and badge number again for the record?
Kabasinski. It's badge number 10609. You can have that one back. All right, just remain in your vehicle. I'll be right back with you.
I don't need to remain in my vehicle.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't. I'm free to stand in this country and walk wherever the fuck I want to walk.
Currently, you're on a traffic stop. So
I don't need to tell you a goddamn fucking thing at all.
Right,
go fuck yourself. Fucking Nazis. Fucking Nazis. Fucking Nazis. You don't know the fucking laws. You do whatever the fuck you want to do because you think you can.
Okay, step out of your vehicle, come back here. Do me a favor, have a seat on your bumper.
I'm not going to sit. I'll stand, do whatever the fuck I want to do.
Turn off with your hands behind your back.
I just got this the other day. So I tell you what.